Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to integrate Zoho CRM with website. Start by deciding whether you need a native plugin, API connection, or webhook approach, and gather API keys. Map your website form fields to Zoho CRM fields and plan any lead assignment and follow-up rules. Test your setup using a staging site or test records to ensure data flows correctly and triggers run as expected. There are 3 main methods you can use to connect your site to Zoho CRM depending on your needs and skills. Plugins are quickest for common CMS setups and require minimal coding. The API gives full control for custom sites and lets you handle complex field mapping. Webhooks are ideal for real-time push from forms and require basic server handling to receive and forward data securely. Keep data clean and your integration reliable by validating inputs on the client and server side and sanitizing values before sending them to Zoho CRM. Use consistent field mapping and mark required fields to prevent incomplete records. Implement logging and alerting so you know when submissions fail, and schedule periodic reviews to sync custom fields and workflows as your business needs evolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.